Hey guys, today let's learn how to solve iPhone stuck on updating iOS 17. So if you are experiencing some problems as you are updating your iOS 17 software is in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this problem step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do in order for us to fix this problem is actually just two factors. One is to have your device currently charging. Now, the iPhone does need constant power as it is updating, because once your iPhone dies out of no power, the update is gonna stop and you are gonna start experiencing some problems as you update. So go ahead and log your devices and have your devices charging so that your update will continue. And as it goes, basically it will apply it with constant power. And one more fact that we should also make sure of is the internet connection of our device. So make sure that your internet connection with your Wi-Fi is not experiencing any problems. You could actually contact your ISP, or you could try other devices and see if your Wi-Fi or your internet connection is still stably connected. Also contact your ISP, as I said a while ago, and see if they are experiencing some downtime or some problems with their service, which is why they are not supplying you with constant internet and stable internet connection. You're gonna make sure that, and once you've already solved that problem, or have those two factors set on your device, that's gonna solve your problem, and it's gonna continue updating to iOS 17 smoothly. That's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys have learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.